are at the crocodile farm. Dito na po yung maliliit na mga buhay.
Okay, so crocodiles here inside of this
Maliliit na buhay yun.
1 to 6 years old.
Hatchling.
Okay, so 1 to 6 for the small crocodiles. But even though they are small, they can jump, they can bite, and they can fall off your finger. So that's why nice of them tayo. And as you can see po, nalimited yung movements nila during daytime. Because ang crocodiles, nocturnal animals yan sila like bats. Ayan, so they're active during nighttime. So sa umaga, expect si Kapwa, but not totally tulog na. Nasa 6 years old po. 6 to 7.
Good, this one's big.
Crocodiles are carnivorous, so very consistent meat and fish. Eating everything and fish classified crocodiles, but they usually eat meat and chicken or pork. Hindi ko na yung stress chicken or pork.
Uli. Oh my God.
Daming lakos.
Dapat dito.
Dapat sabi ko lang ng crocodile. River, ako malagyan ng crocodile. Nakukuha mo ba? Kuha niya?
Ako na.
Daddy na lang. Daddy na lang.
Okay, so everyone, let's open tayo. Okay, so everyone, let's proceed to the
Nanay. Wala, hindi kita. Oh my God. Ang dami.
additional reminder everyone to please take care of their things, especially
Wow.
Sige, pasok mo ako.
Tayo wag po.
One, two. Ay, napatay. Teka. Hindi, two. Isay, one, two.
Tuloy mo rin ako, mami.